guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe. This is the second question and answer video, and I will be doing this low-key brown makeup because I realized that I've been playing with colors in the last makeup video, so I thought that I'd do a simple neutral and brown makeup, and I loved how this has turned out to be. But more than this, I enjoyed answering every question that I selected for all of you. I have answered some of the deep questions and some questions that are related to me, and I hope this video will help you all to get to know me better, who as a person I am. And I hope you all will enjoy watching this video as you enjoyed watching my first question and answer video. Without a further ado, we'll quickly jump into my video. I'll be answering all of your questions that you have asked me, and I selected them. Whatever products I'm using, I'll link it down below in the description box so you can go and check them out. I don't want you all to get disturbed because what the answers I'm going to give you, because the questions this time were really funny and they're more about me, so you'll get to know me better, I hope. So I think I'll start my makeup now and answering your questions. The first question is, have you denied a video call because of how you looked? I haven't denied a video call. Yes, I have never denied a video call because of how I look, because not many people video call me, and the people who video call me, they know me in and out. They know how I am as in a person. So I never had to change my attire. I never had to do my hair or something because of the video call. Next question is, what show have you been watching lately? I've been watching many shows, like a dozen of shows. I've been really watching many shows. I finished watching Special Ops on Hotstar. I finished watching Arya, which is a fantastic series on Hotstar. I finished watching Breathe on Amazon Prime, Abhishek Bachchan, the new series. I saw Dynasty on Netflix. Please go and watch Dynasty on Netflix. It is superb. I finished watching 4 More Shots season 2, and I binge watched the Friends seasons, all of the seasons again. So quite a few more. Do you call your friends more or less than before? No, I do not. The proportion in which me and my 2 best friends call each other is the same after the lockdown and before the lockdown also. It hasn't changed. We don't call much. We are more on typing. So we are more typing on WhatsApp. We are more kind of chatting. We prefer chatting. So we don't call that much. Then the next question is, what was the last good movie you watched? Okay, this is really tricky. This last good movie I watched. Like, I haven't watched any films lately in December, so I have to really think what was the movie I watched. I watched the last movie, Good News, and I really liked that. So Good News was the last good movie I watched, because uske baad koi movie aayi nahi hai abhi. So Good News was the last good movie I watched. And I recently watched 365 Days on Netflix, and I loved that film because of Michelle Moran. So yes, 365 Days, I really loved. This is a fantastic movie. I recommend you to. Then the next question is, how much time it takes you to get ready in general? 10 minutes. With my makeup and with my clothes, it takes me maximum 10 minutes to get ready, because when I shoot, I show you every process in detail. That is how I apply eyeshadow and which colors I'm applying. But when I get ready, like if I have to go somewhere out, it takes me maximum 15 minutes, not more than that. I'll do my makeup, I'll do my hair, I'll get ready, and it takes me only 10 to 15 minutes maximum to get ready. The next question is, what do you appreciate more than ever now? Honestly, I appreciate my life more than ever now. I appreciate that my family is safe and sound, and we didn't have to face many troubles during the lockdown, and I am more privileged. I'm way more privileged than I thought, and when this lockdown happened, me and my family were very safe and sound. So I think at that point of time I realized that I'm very privileged. And when I saw the videos on news channel where literally people were trying to go to their families, and they were actually, you know, far away from the families, and they have to walk miles to reach their loved ones, at that point of time I realized that I have things, and I am truly blessed to have all of that. So then the next question is, what is the phone app you use the most and the phone app you use the least? The phone app I use the most is Instagram, like 24/7, all the time on Instagram. And the app that I use the least is Facebook, because I don't operate it much. I just operate it, I have to change my cover photo or my profile picture and to share the link of my video. Otherwise, I do not operate Facebook. Then the next question is, what is the oldest thing you own? I have to really think what is the oldest thing I own. Oh my god. The oldest thing I own. I have to see in my wardrobe what is the oldest thing I own. I found in my wardrobe, I checked my wardrobe, I checked my dressing table and all, and I finally found 2 hairbands that I own. So these are my 2 favorite hairbands that I own, and they are the oldest things. I had many clothes of mine, but I gave them in lockdown in orphanage. So these are the 2 headbands that I own right now, and are the oldest thing. I bought this when I was like 8 years old, 8 or 7 years old, and I'm 18 now. So these are currently the oldest headbands that I own, and they fit me so perfectly now also that I'm just not able to give them away, and I love both of them. Then the next question is, what is the best pizza topping combination? God, you guys have really selected all my favorite questions and asked me. The best pizza topping. Okay, I love pizza. Pizza is my favorite dish. I can have pizza anytime, anywhere. I love margherita as the pizza topping, like double cheese, extra cheese. My favorite pizza is margherita pizza, but when I go out, and of course in general people do not eat margherita, they do not prefer eating margherita. So then if I have to order a pizza other than margherita, then I'll go with bell peppers, onions and olives. I think that is the best pizza topping combination. And the worst pizza topping combination is having pineapple on pizza as a topping. That is the worst, trust me. What is the best thing that you have done in quarantine that you have never done before? I started my makeup channel. That is the best thing I have done in quarantine. I was waiting for my 12 standards to get completed. I was waiting for my boards to finish, and I was thinking to start a makeup channel at that point of time if I had some free time, you know, or I never expected that I would start my makeup channel so soon, and I would be appreciated so much, and I would complete 100 subscribers. So all happened because of the lockdown. So I'm truly blessed. Who is your favorite YouTube blogger other than beauty bloggers? Can I say top 3? Bhuvan Dham, Prajakta Kohli and Ashish Chinchilani. Prajakta is mostly sane. I really love these 3 YouTubers. Because they started from the scratch and they didn't have anything, and the level they are today, I mean, it's all because of their hard work. So it's very inspiring to me. And second, because of the amazing content they put out. So these 3 are my top 3 favorite YouTubers. How do you take care of yourself? That is, how do you ensure that negativity doesn't surround you? First, I ensure that negativity doesn't surround me. By I do not bother about people's opinion. I do not. Good criticism is always welcome. Good suggestions are always welcome. But the people who try to pull me down, or any negative comment, or on YouTube or on Instagram, that person is immediately blocked from my ID. And I have recently blocked many. The reason they are pulling me down, because see, I don't know why people don't get this, that I can check whom you're sharing my post to and who has shared my post at what time. So I know, and for the fact of matter, some people shared my post and I know the reason why they shared my post. So I blocked them because I don't want any sort of negativity or any sort of thing in my mind, because eventually I am also a human being. No matter how much I try to remain positive, there are some bad days where I feel like, am I doing good? Am I doing good by putting videos on my YouTube channel? Will I be able to reach a certain level of success in this field? So these all things come in your mind, even if you are not trying to, but they will come. Eventually they will come. And I honestly believe that negativity, or hate comments or such things, you receive more when you're doing a thing on public platform, because then whatever you're doing is that can be seen by everyone across the globe. So I think that is the point I decided on when I released my first makeup video at 5 PM on 20th March, that I will never care about such people who are pulling me down and they are not motivating me in any way. So I made sure that I will block all of, I will not block, but I will make sure that they remain very far away from me and they do not do anything that brings negativity in my life. Yes, what are the glycolic acid products you recommend? Okay, first of all, for all of you who do not know what is glycolic acid, it is a enzyme. It is a chemical enzyme that is found in citrus fruits and is mainly extracted of sugar or sugar cane. And it is really good for your face because it removes all your dead skin. It is a great exfoliator. And I had that Pixi glycolic acid toner. It's not a glycolic acid, it's a cleansing toner, but the main ingredient was the glycolic acid one. So it worked nice for my skin, but again, the Pixi products are very expensive. You have to buy them again and again. So after that, I haven't used any glycolic acid product from the market, but I will recommend, if you want a glycolic acid product, then I would recommend you the Benefit one or the Pixi one. Both are really good. Otherwise, what I do for when I have to apply glycolic acid on my face, I have 3 face packs. For that, I apply it at night for 25 minutes. The first one is the banana, yogurt and lemon juice. Second one is papaya, dahi and lemon juice. And the third one I use is tomato and white sugar. I cut the tomato in layers and apply sugar and then scrub it all over my face. So these are really nice glycolic acid remedies at home, which are of course not harmful in any way. So because what happens is, if you have very sensitive skin, then products don't suit you well, as in case of mine, because I have extremely sensitive skin. So I prefer doing home remedies rather than buying those things which I know might not suit my face well. Next question is, do you believe in karma? Karma is the only principle that I believe in, to be really honest. In fact, I have a quote related to karma that I'll read out for all of you, which I came across 2 years ago, and I truly believe that is the best karma quote, or it's the best quote I have read in the matter of life principles. So the quote says as, things just don't happen in this world of arising and passing away. We don't live in some kind of crazy and accidental universe. Things happen according to certain laws of nature, laws such as the law of karma, which teaches us that a certain seeds get planted so that fruit be. Then the next question is, What is the one misconception people have about you? Honestly, I've came across this many a times, and the one misconception people have about me is they think that I'm very arrogant and I throw attitude around, but that is not at all true. I am like that. I'm like that in general. I am that kind of person. It takes me a whole lot of time to open in front of somebody, and when whom I'm really close to, you ask them, it really takes a lot of efforts for them to shut me up, because then I'm very friendly. So that is not the truth. I don't know why people expect that when you meet a person I don't know why people have that mentality that if you meet a person once in a year, so they have to be really good with you and they have to like talk to you in a very good manner. I am not that kind of person who can do that. I'm really reserved as a person when it comes. If I have to talk to somebody whom I don't know, I will, but for some work I have. Otherwise I will never go and speak to somebody. Like, I'm very reserved and that kind of person. So I don't know why people have this misconception, but that's not true at all. Then the next question is, what are your life mantras? Life mantras, to be honest, I do not have such life mantras. I believe in 3 things that you can call as life mantra. The first one is just go with the flow. Whatever happens, it is happening for some reason. Each thing that happens in your life happens for a reason. I truly believe in that. The second thing is, I have that thing written in my bedroom also. Love the life you live the life you love. I believe in that. And the third thing is karma. So these are the 3 life mantra I totally believe is. Give me some tips on being a great YouTuber. I think I'm in very early phase to give you those, but I can surely give you 2 that I believe in. The first one is, have faith in yourself. Just believe in yourself. Do not listen to the people who are trying to pull you down for just their entertainment, or they're gossiping about you for their entertainment. Do not take those things seriously. And the second thing is, be 100% truthful of what the content you are putting out on YouTube, because the audience is not stupid. They will catch your truth. Be 100% truthful to your audience. Put out great content. Do some amazing work. So I truly believe that these 2 tips, with the help of these 2 tips, will be able to be a great YouTuber. And the next question is, what was your parents' reaction when they came about that you have started a YouTube channel? Honestly, my parents didn't know that I was on YouTube. It was just me, my best friend and her sister. We 3 did all of the thing, and we just posted the video on my channel, and my parents had no clue about this. I came home and I told them that I have done all of that, and I showed them the video. So they were very happy, but they said that, how will you do it, how will you manage it with your studies and all, the parent thing. But I said that let me try, and we'll see what we can do. And now they're more excited than me. Every day they check my views, every day they check my subscription, that how many people have subscribed me. So I think they're more excited than me now. But it was a surprise for them. They didn't knew that I was going to start a YouTube channel or anything like that. It was a random thought that I'm very happy of, but it was a surprise for my parents. It came as a surprise. It was not a surprise. It came as a surprise to my parents. Were you nervous when you started your makeup channel? Oh my god, I was hell nervous when I started. What happened was, I recorded the makeup video, I did the voiceover and everything, but The moment my best friend started uploading it on YouTube, I was so nervous. I was so nervous that what will people think and उन्हें कैसा लगेगा, अच्छा नहीं लगा तो पसंद आएगा या नहीं आएगा, मेरे से कुछ गलती हो गई होगी वीडियो में. तो all of this, I was very nervous when I started the channel, but as I said that I learned how I can be confident and how I have to do this because these things make me happy. I really recommend all of you to do the thing that makes you happy. Try it. Do all those things that really makes you happy. It will help you build your confidence. It will help you boost your self-esteem. It will help you self-love more, and you will just start appreciating yourself. You will be able to think that, you know, I can do this, I can try to do this. So I think that is the best thing that happened to me because of the channel. I learned that I can do some of the things that I never imagined I can, but in the past 5 months I realized that I can do if I try, and I just gave it a shot, and it is the best thing I have right now. Okay guys, this was all for today's question and answer round. I loved each and every question that you asked me, and I loved answering them more. I hope my advice on some of the deep questions that I answered are helpful to you, and you are able to do the thing that you love, because that is very important. And I hope you all really enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating this video for all of you. And I'll see you in my next makeup tutorial very soon. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, please, and give this video a big fat thumbs up. Bye. Take care.